welcome back. This is Leena. So do you want your makeup to last for long and you have oily skin and you sweat and your makeup goes off? I have this amazing hack for you, and I've tried it so many times and my makeup doesn't move at all. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's start now. So for this you will need some fixing spray and some loose powder. I've already applied my makeup and I'm going to show you how to do this. So after applying your makeup, what you do is you usually spray your fixing spray. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to spray this. That's done. I'm going to use this loose powder on my fixing spray. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fixing spray again. Once again, I'm going to use the loose powder. So this is all you have to do. I do it twice so that my makeup stays in place and I don't sweat much, and my skin is not that oily. So I definitely guarantee you, even if your face is oily, if your skin is oily, you do this and the powder will set your face, set your makeup, and it will not move at all. So guys, do try this. Let me know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching.